microscopic invaders, masters of disguise, and sometimes the reason for a worldwide pandemic. Today on Science World Explored, we're diving into the strange, fascinating world of viruses. What are they? How do they work? And why do they need you to survive? Viruses aren't alive in the traditional sense. They can't move, grow, or reproduce on their own. They're made of just two main parts, genetic material, either DNA or RNA, and a protein coat called a capsid. Some have an extra lipid envelope. That's it. No nucleus, no cell membrane, just a genetic message and a delivery system. Outside a host, they're inactive, like a USB drive without a computer, but once inside a living cell, everything changes. So, viruses come in all shapes, sizes, and honestly genetic flavors. Here are a few types you should know about. DNA viruses, like for example herpes or smallpox, these guys replicate inside the cell's nucleus. RNA viruses, like influenza or COVID-19, some of them mutate really rapidly. Retroviruses, like HIV, are pretty fascinating. They actually reverse engineer their RNA into DNA by using this special enzyme called reverse transcriptase. Viruses can infect just about anything: humans, animals, plants, and even bacteria. And oh, by the way, those viruses that go after bacteria are called bacteriophages. Okay, here's where it gets wild. Viruses basically hijack your cells to make more of themselves. Let's walk through the steps together. Attachment. The virus locks onto a receptor on the host cell. Entry. It injects its genetic material inside, or the whole virus is engulfed. Replication. The host's machinery copies the viral DNA or RNA. At this stage, assembly happens. New virus particles are put together inside the cell. Next up is release. Viruses burst out, killing the cell, or sometimes they just sneak out to infect even more cells. Just one virus can actually turn a healthy cell into a virus factory, producing thousands of copies. Luckily, your immune system is a defense powerhouse. White blood cells recognize and attack viruses using antibodies and killer cells. Vaccines give your body a sneak peek, teaching it to recognize the virus before it ever attacks. That's how we've controlled diseases like polio and measles. Viruses are strange, brilliant, and sometimes dangerous. Understanding them helps us protect ourselves and unravel the complex battle between life and not quite life. Subscribe to Science World Explored for more clear and curious science.